So, this is the part 5, and we are starting now. We have to discuss the things which we have not discussed such things. So, again, it is for your good. Things I am discussing such type of things. Iconic I already discussed before, that is symbolic, and indie. Indie bands means that is the pop groups, uh, not part of the company. These are the things we should remember. Congregation means a group of people meeting together to worship God or Goddess. And from the seventh, now we are discussing about the people, why they are going the hilltop. They are going the hilltops. Think that if they are going to hilltop, their progress is uh, like the like the top. Their progress like the top, and they are achieving everything in a top level. That's why during this festival they are growing to the top. It is a believed uh, it is a belief uh, of such people in Manipur region. So now we are starting the eighth para, the spring festival or the Chepchor Kuth is an important occasion. The spring festival or the Chepchor Kuth is an important occasion, mostly celebrated in Mizoram. In Mizoram, this festival, the spring festival, or otherwise known as Chepchor Kuth, men and women of all ages, age is not barrier to participate or to celebrate this festival. Wearing traditional dresses. Traditional means their dresses, which is believed, by their community uh, to enjoy this festival. Wearing the traditional dresses, headgear means wear something on the head. That means it's known as headgear. With traditional dresses, headgear, perform folk dance. Folk dance means the traditional dance, their local dance, and sing traditional songs on this occasion. They are also singing the traditional songs. We are also enjoying our festival like Makar Sankranti. You also know that Raja Kumar Purnima. These are the festival of tradition. We wear new dresses. We wear new dresses and also singing song of that particular occasion. The song must be belong to that occasion, and every song of uh, every festival has its own identity. So The drums, gongs, and the cymbals added the festive air. That means these are the instruments. Drums, gongs, and the cymbals are the instrument which they play during this festival with his songs and traditional dresses, and particularly it is celebrated in the Mizoram region, and it's a spring festival. Then Wangala, or the 100 Drums festival, is the most important festival celebrated by the Garos. In the villages of Meghalaya. Garo, region Garo Hills. Garos in the village of Meghalaya. It's the festival of Meghalaya. We have already completed the festival of Spring Festival of Manipur. Festival of Manipur, then Mizoram, then we stepping towards the festival of Meghalaya. Wangala, or the 100 Drum festival, is most important festival celebrated by the Garos in the village of Meghalaya. It is a village festival. The festival is named so because, why it is 100 Drum festival? Because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. Because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This harvest festival is celebrated in November. This is a harvest festival, particularly related to agriculture. This harvest festival is celebrated in November to mark the end of hard work, which naturally brings a good harvest. Why it is celebrated in November? To mark means give a sign, mark the end of the hard work. Who are done their hard works? The farmers have done their hard works. The farmers have done their hard works, and particularly it's marked the end of the hard work, which naturally, if you work hard, you get a fruitful result. If you do not work hard, you can't expect to get a fruitful result. That's why hard work always brings you fruitful result. Like this, they are the farmers. The farmers have done everything. They have done their hard work, and naturally brings a good harvest. If you do good labor, then you produce a good harvest yourself. As far as your study is concerned, like the agriculture also you have mentioned, every hard work has its reward. Every hard work has its reward. Our duty is to do our hard work. Never think about the result. Result is not within our hand, but the labor is always within our hand. Remember, my dear students. So the celebration features beating drums, blowing horns, and traditional dancing. It is all about beating drums, blowing horns, and traditional dancing. The dance during the festival has two parallel lines. Parallel means side by side. Parallel means side by side. Parallel means two parallel, side by side. Parallel means side by side. Remember this meaning. Then man and the other of women, and other of the one of the man and other of the women, clad in their festive costumes. Costumes means one of type. You are adorn yourself properly. Costume means you are adorn yourself properly. That's the costume. Festive costumes. That means different type of festival we are observed in a year, and every year in every year or in a year we are observed many festivals, and every festival has its own identity. That's why we are doing our things according to the festival, not according to our mind. Okay, remember these things. While the man beat the drums, the lines move forward together in a mythic manner. Mythic means it's it's related to religious aspects. It's related to religious aspects. So the beating the drum, while the man beat the drums, the lines move towards together in a mythic manner. Manner means way. Manner means way. Mythic means a religious way. Uh, Karachi Puja of Tripura is a week-long festival marked by animal sacrifice and worship of 14 gods as instructed by Lord Shiva. It is another festival of Tripura. We have already ended the festival of Meghalaya, then stepping towards the festival of Tripura, that is Karachi Puja of Tripura, a week-long festival. It's continued for a week, marked by animal sacrifice. Means you have to kill the animal in front of your god or goddess. Worshipping the 14 gods, not a single god. 14 gods. Instructed means directed. Instructed means directed. They think that God instruct us, instructed by Lord Shiva. They think Lord Shiva directed us to do it. The festival takes place in the month of July in the old Agartala or Purana Haveli. That means where it is held in July in the old Agartala or Purana Haveli, where there is a temple, um, that houses of 14 deities. We have to find 14 deities are there. Thousands of people throng Tripura, come to Tripura during the festival and enjoy the cultural programs and the fairs. Cultural programs and enjoy the festivals and the cultural programs and the fairs, which is continued for 7 days. We find the 14 gods are there, and people are sacrificed their animals there, means kill their animal in front of the god. It is directed by the Lord Shiva. They think so. This is the festival of we have discussed, that is the festival of Tripura. Then we proceed to same state of Tripura. The main feature of the festivals in Tripura is, feature means the characteristic of Tripura is that all the people join the celebrations. That means when they are celebrating any festival, the people of their state must be joined within it. Many of dances performed during some of the festival represents hunting. So many of the dances performed during some of the festivals. Dance is a part of their festival. Also, the festivals represent. Also, some festivals represents hunting, food gathering, various other activity. Not only they are dancing and singing, but some festival represents in Manipur region represents means takes with it like the hunting, food gathering and various other activities. This is all about our another part. We have completed 11 we have completed 11 para, then another 5 para to complete in another part. Then we completed our course of this month. Okay, thank you to everybody, thank you to my loving students, and also the viewers, those are part of this channel. Please subscribe to boost my personality, to boost my inspiration to go forward, to create so many videos for you and for my viewers. Thank you very much to all of my students. Those are part of this channel.